Okay, quick little video. It's a power steering pump right here. So, return line, pressure line. Should pulley go on there. Got 3 bolts. So let's look at the car. It's a 2013 Chevy Impala, 3.5 liter. First thing you're gonna do is take out these 2 bolts. These are 11 millimeters. Holding on this, I pull it back and put it down on the fender. Take out these 2 tins right here, and I just moved the coolant reservoir up and out. This is a 21 millimeter right here. See, 21. Yeah. So put that on that little knob right there. Just like that. See? Pull it back, and you can take the pulley off, the belt off of one of the non-ribbed things. I'm gonna put the belt back on though. Okay, so once you got your belt off, that's a 21, like I said down there. First thing I do, I take out these clamps right here. Take out this upper return hose. I had to cut it in half and replace this line because it was so hard. And once you do that, I take out them 3 bolts right there, which are 12 millimeters. And then you can pick up this pump, lift it up, this line will move with it. And then it's a 16 millimeter going into the back of it. Loosen that up, and then replace the O-ring on it. It's real small, you have to look for it. Put it back on, tighten it down. You can work up here with that. Because once you take out them bolts, you can take the pump out, and this line gonna move. So drop it back down in there. After you tighten it up, put your line on, put your bolts back in, put your belt on, lead it out by turning it all the way to the left and all the way to the right after you fill it up with power steering fluid and let the car run. Put everything back. That's it. So 2013 Chevy Impala. You only got to take out the power steering pulley on this one. You know what I'm saying? So it's a pretty easy one.